अर्थः येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीयं विरच्यते। So the Ashtadhyayi. Anybody to repeat after me?
नमस्ते सौम्या जी।
Yes, you will. Fine. Karake. Twice. Dhruvam apaye padanam.
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम् ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
Bhitrarthanam bhayahetuh.
भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
Parajerasodhah.
पराजेरसोढः पराजेरसोढः
Varanarthanam ipsitah.
वारणार्थानाम् ईप्सितः वारणार्थानाम् ईप्सितः
Antardhau yena darshanam icchati.
अन्तर्धौ येनादर्शनमिच्छति अन्तर्धौ येनादर्शनमिच्छति
Akhyatopayoge.
आख्यातोपयो
Janikartuh prakritihi.
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
Bhuvah prabhavah.
भुवः प्रभवः
Karmana yamabhipraiti sasampradanam.
कर्मणायमभिप्रैति ससम्प्रदानम्
Rucyarthanam priyamanah.
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
Shlaghanhumsthashapam jnipsyamanah.
श्लाघन्हुंस्थासपां जीप्स्यमानः
Dhareruttamarnah.
धारेरुत्तमर्नः
Sprheripsitah.
स्पृहेरीप्सितः
Krudhadruhershya
क्रुधद्रुहे ईर्ष्या असूयार्थानां
Yam pratikopah.
यं प्रतिकोपः क्रुधद्रुहोः
Upasrushtayoh karma.
उपसृष्टयोः कर्म
Radhikshyoh.
राधीक्ष्योः
Yasya
विप्रश्नः
Pratyangbyam shruvah purvasya karta.
प्रत्यांगाभ्यां स्रुवः पूर्वस्य कर्ता
Anupratigrinascha.
अनुप्रतिगुणश्च
Sadhakatamam karanam.
साधकतमं करणं
Divah karma cha.
दिवः कर्म च
Parikrayane sampradanamanyatarasyaam.
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानमन्यतरस्याम्
Adharodhikaranam.
आधारोधिकरणम्
Adhishingsthasam karma.
अधिष्ठिंस्थासां कर्म
Abhinivishascha.
अभिनिविशश्च
Upanvadhyang vasaha.
उपान्वध्यां वसः
Karturipsitatamam karma.
कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म
तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितं
तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितम्
अकथितं च
अकथितं च
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थ
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थ
शब्दकर्माकर्मकाणाम्
शब्दकर्माकर्मकाणाम्
अणिकर्ता सणौ
अणिकर्ता सणौ
हर्क्रोरन्यतरस्याम्
हक्रोरन्यतरस्याम्
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
प्राग्रीश्वरान्निपाताः
प्राग्रीश्वरान्निपाताः
Thank you. कर्मकारक प्रकरणम् अनुवर्तयामः. गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थ शब्दकर्माकर्मकाणाम् अणिकर्ता सणौ सूत्रम्. किमिदं सूत्रं? कर्मसंज्ञां विधत्ते. किं विषयकं सूत्रं? प्रयोज्यकर्तुः निजन्तप्रयोगे कर्मसंज्ञां विदधाति. निजन्तप्रयोगे कर्तृद्वयं भवति, प्रयोजककर्ता प्रयोज्यकर्ता चेति. तत्र यः शुद्धधातोः कर्ता भवति अणिकर्ता, तस्य णौ अर्थात् निजन्तप्रयोगे कर्मत्वं भवति इति सूत्रेण उच्यते. इदं नियमसूत्रम्. अर्थात् वस्तुतः सर्वेषां धातूनां विषये अणिकर्तुः णौ कर्मत्वं कर्तरीप्सिततमं कर्म इत्यनेनैव सिद्ध्यति. यतोहि प्रयोजकः क्रियया किं सम्बद्धमिष्यति इति प्रश्ने प्रयोज्यकर्तारं इच्छति इत्येव उत्तरम्. अतः कर्तरीप्सिततमं कर्म इत्यनेन सर्वत्र कर्मसंज्ञा सिद्ध्यति. सिद्धायां कर्मसंज्ञायाम् आरभ्यमाणमिदं सिद्धे सत्यारभ्यमाणो विधिः नियमाय भवति इत्यनेन नियमसूत्रमिदं. कः नियमः? ये गत्यर्थकाः, बुद्ध्यर्थकाः, प्रत्यवसानार्थकाः, शब्दकर्माणः अकर्मकाः वा धातवः, एतेषामेव प्रयोगे अणिकर्तुः णौ कर्मत्वं भवति. अन्येषां विषये किं तर्हि प्रश्ने? इतरेषां धातूनां प्रयोगे अणिकर्तुः णौ कर्तृत्वमेव भवति. शुद्धधातु विषये यत् स्वातन्त्र्यमस्ति तदाधारेण यत् कर्तृत्वमस्ति तदेव भवति इति व्यवस्था. तर्हि प्रयोगे कथं भवति इति दृष्टं. सो इदानीं निजन्तेषु सर्वदा क्रियाद्वयं भवति, व्यापारद्वयं भवति. देयर आर टू एक्शन्स ऑलवेज इन अ निजन्त. सो निजन्तधातुवाच्या प्रधानक्रिया, the main action is nijanta dhatu vakya, which is prerana, that is motivating or making somebody do something else. तत्र तस्य व्यापारस्य आश्रयः प्रयोजककर्ता, स एव प्रधानकर्ता अपि भवति. फलाश्रयः तु प्रयोज्यकर्ता. सो ऑलवेज धात्वर्थः व्यापारः फलं च, व्यापाराश्रयः कर्ता, फलाश्रयं कर्म इति व्यवस्था. सो हियर Vyaparashraya is the prayojaka karta, whereas the phalashraya is the prayojya karta, who normally gets karma samya because in relation to the pradhana kriya. Right? So always a karaka is in relation to the kriya. Ataha kriyanvayena pradhana kriya अन्वयी यत् कर्म भवति तदेव प्रयोज्यकर्ता भवति. या तु गौणक्रिया अस्ति निजन्तेषु शुद्धधातुवाच्य. So the plain dhatu there also gives the vyapara, but it is called the gauna because the prayojaka vyapara is considered pradhana. So in this case there is a karta. Vyaparashrayah prayojyakarta. So the karta for the second action is the prayojyakarta, and he is the gauna karta. And the karma for this is the original karma, whatever we have the say. ग्रामं गच्छति ग्रामस्य कर्मत्वं भवति कर्तुरीप्सिततमं यत् अस्ति प्रयोज्यकर्तुः यदीप्सिततमं तत् गौणक्रियान्वयी कर्म भवति. So now if you look at the prayoga, कर्तरि प्रयोगे किं भवति? If you have the धातवः गत्यादयः यदि धातवः अर्थात् गति बुद्धि प्रत्यवसानार्थ शब्दकर्मा कर्मकाः धातवः, तत्र प्रयोजकः कर्ता भवति स च अभिहितः. He is told by the तिङन्त, right? So गमयति इति निजन्तेन तिङन्तेन प्रधानकर्ता अभिधीयते. अतः अभिहितत्वात् प्रयोजककर्तुः प्रथमा विभक्तिर्भवति. यस्तु प्रयोज्यकर्ता अस्ति तत् प्रधानं कर्म च अनभिहितं. कर्तरिप्रयोगे कर्म अनभिहितं, तस्मात् द्वितीया विभक्तिर्भवति. यत्तु शुद्धधातोः कर्म अस्ति अर्थात् प्रयोज्यकर्तुः इप्सिततमं तदपि अनभिहितमेव गौणं कर्म, कर्मत्वात् तस्यापि द्वितीया विभक्तिर्भवति. So you see there are two द्वितीया विभक्ति. स्वामी देवदत्तम् आपणं गमयति. अतः it looks like a dvikarmaka dhatu, I mean nijanta, because there is one karma for the shuddha dhatu and another for the nijanta dhatu. Swami devadattam apanam gamayati. So you see two karma padas. Whereas if you look at other dhatus which do not belong to these five categories, gatyadi bhinnaha ye dhatavah, tesham vishaye kim bhavati? Prayojakaha पुनः कर्ता स च अभिहितः, निजन्तेन कर्ता अभिहितः, अतः तस्मात् प्रथमा विभक्तिर्भवति. प्रयोज्यस्तु अनभिहितः कर्ता, अत्र कर्मत्वं नास्ति. गतिबुद्धि इति सूत्रेण कर्मसंज्ञायाः नियमात् अत्र कर्मत्वं नास्ति. सो गौणः कर्ता इति परिगण्यते. सो दिस् प्रयोज्यकर्ता can be both. He can be considered as karma in relation to the pradhana kriya or a karta in relation to the gauna kriya. So when both are possible, the pradhana kriya will overrule the gauna kriya, so he will be treated as karma, as in case of gati and others. Even here there is kartritva associated with the gauna kriya, but when there is a clash between pradhana and gauna, the pradhana wins over, therefore he will be the karma. Yada tu karma samnya nasti niyamyate tada atra kartrutvamev tishtati tat prayukta tritiya vibhaktir bhavati. So because he is karta anabhihita, there will be tritiya. यत्तु कर्म अस्ति तदनभिहितम् अतः द्वितीयैव भवति. स्वामी देवदत्तेन तण्डुलं पाचयति इति देवदत्तात् अत्र यथा द्वितीया अत्र तु तृतीया विभक्तिर् दृश्यते. Right? So if you go to the कर्मणि प्रयोग here, so this is possibly, I mean, the कर्मणि प्रयोग there is not given in the example, but this is where you understand the abhihita and anabhihita clearly. Why a particular word is in this vibhakti. So if you understand this, you will have understood what is anabhihite and where to apply what vibhakti. So what is happening in a karmani prayoga? Karmani prayogaha namakaha tingantena karma abhidhiyate ityarthaha. So if you come to gatyadayaha dhatavaha, prayojakaha asti karta anabhihitaha. In a karmani prayoga, karta will not be given by the thing. Kartuhu anabhihitatvat tritiya bhavati. Now there are two karma padas, right? So if you look at the previous slide, you had two dvitiya vibhaktis because of two, pradhanam karma and gauna karma. The same thing is here. Now which of these karma will be given by the thing? So there is a pradhana and gauna. As we saw just now, the pradhana will always overrule the gauna, and therefore the pradhana karma will be abhihitam. Pradhana karma tinga abhihitam. Abhihitatvat pradhana karmanaha prathama vibhaktihi. अर्थात प्रयोज्यकर्तुः प्रथमा विभक्तिर्भवति. यत्तु गौणं कर्म अस्ति शुद्धधातोः कर्म तस्य अनभिहितत्वात् द्वितीया विभक्तिर्भवति. सो स्वामिना देवदत्तः आपणं गम्यते. So the प्रयोज्यकर्ता, as you can see, is in prathama. He is the karma and he is abhihita. Abhihitah karma. Abhihitam karma abhihitatvaत् prathama bhavati न तु द्वितीया. ये तु इतरे धातवः तत्र पुनः प्रयोजकस्य अनभिहितत्वात् कर्तृत्वाच्च तृतीया विभक्तिर्भवति. And here the prayojya is not karma, he is only the karta. Karmatvam nasti. Karmatvam nasti, abhihitatvam api nasti. Anabhihitah gaunah karta. Kartrutva tritiya vibhaktirbhavati. अत्र तु एकमेव कर्म अस्ति शुद्धधातोः यत् कर्म कर्मणः अभिहितत्वात् तस्मात् प्रथमा विभक्तिर्भवति स्वामिना देवदत्तेन तण्डुलः पाच्यते right. So this is what we did yesterday. Any questions?
Unmuted.
So Soumya ji, in this case, because of the sutra, the prayojaka karta will get a primary karma sangya.
Prayojaka karta
Will get a
Prayojaka.
karma sangya. Prayojya karta, the Devadatta in this case. So he will get a
In
karma
which case?
sangya. So for the Nijanta Karmani Prayoga. So you have two karma.
Whether it is right.
So he is getting the primary karma status because of this sutra. Because otherwise it says Devadattena Tandula Pache. Because the karma in true sense is only one. Apanam. Or in
There is actually, I mean, for each, there is only one karma. There is one karma for the Pradhana Kriya and one for the Gauna Kriya.
Right.
Yeah, and the karma is because of Gati Buddhi. The karma samya is because of Gati Buddhi Sutra.
Gati Buddhi. Okay. Thanks.
Muted.
So now we will move on to the Dalakritya of the sutra. Gati Buddhi Pratyavasanartha Shabda Karma Karma Karanam Anikarta Sanau iti uchyate. Gati ityadi kim. So why these five only? I mean, what happens if this is not there? Why not just say Anikarta Sanau Karma Bhavati? So yeah, he who is a karta in Shuddha Prayoga, he will be the karma in Nijanta. Why specify these five? So he says Pachayat Yodanam Devadattena. So if it is Pachayati, that is a dhatu which is not Gatyarthaka, not Buddhyarthaka, not Bhakshanarthaka, not a Shabda Karma and not a Karmaka. So if it does not belong to any of these categories, Etad Bhinnaha Yedhatavaha that Tesham Prayoge Anikartuhu Nau Karmatvam Na Bhavati. अतः देवदत्तेन ओदनं पाचयति कर्तृत्वम् अस्ति कर्तृत्वनिमित्त तृतीया विभक्तिश्च अस्ति सो पच धातोः गत्यादिषु अनन्तर्भावात् अणिकर्तुः णौ कर्मत्वं न भवति अन्यन्तानां किम् अन्यत् किम् उच्यते अणिकर्ता सणौ कर्म भवति इति उच्यते तेन किं भवति गमयति देवदत्तो यज्ञदत्तं तम् अपरः प्रयुङ्क्ते Gamayati Devadattena Yajnadattam Vishnumitraha. So why does he say Anikarta? He who is a karta when there is no niche, no preranataka niche, will be the karma when there is niche. Okay. So this is your to understand the example. Yajnadattaha gacchati is Anijanta Prayoga. This is a Shuddha Prayoga of the Gam dhatu. Yajnadattaha gacchati. Devadattaha Yajnadattam Gamayati. So Devadatta makes Yajnadatta go. I am Nijantaha, Preranarthaka. Atra Kartradvayam asti Devadattaha Prayojakaha Yajnadattaha Prayojyaha. Idanim Yadi Anyaha Prayojakaha asti. Punaha Nijantah kriyate. So Nijanta on a Nijanta. So a second person is making the first person act, or rather the third person is making the second act to make the first person do something. Theoretically it is possible and possibly practically we use it somewhere, I don't know. But okay, Vishnumitraha Devadattena Yajnadattam Gamayati. See, practically this is possible. There is an order going down a series of people. So whether we put it theoretically in this form or not, it is certainly possible that there is more than one Prayojaka for a Prayojya. Right? So I mean the orders might be coming down a series of people. So now there is a second Pravartaka. द्वितीयः प्रयोजकः अस्ति यः प्रथमं प्रयोजयति प्रथमप्रयोजकं प्रयोजयति सो विष्णुमित्रः देवदत्तेन यज्ञदत्तं गमयति इत्यस्ति सो नौ देयर इज अ निच ऑन निच ओके रूपं न भिद्यते सो इफ यू ऐड निच टू एन ऑलरेडी nijanta there is no change in form the form will always be gamayati whatever how many ever series you go but there is a niche and on that there is a niche so there are three kartas here right so prayojya karta asti yajnadattah प्रथमः प्रयोजककर्ता अस्ति देवदत्तः, द्वितीयः प्रयोजककर्ता अस्ति विष्णुमित्रः। इदानीं प्रश्नः, अणिकर्तुः नौ कर्मत्वं भवति। सो यज्ञदत्ता विल गेट कर्म संज्ञा when you are doing the nijanta, यज्ञदत्तं गमयति. Now when you are doing a nijanta on this, will this karta devadatta, who was originally prayojaka but now he has become the prayojyakarta, will he get karma samya? इति प्रश्नः. यः अत्र प्रयोजककर्ता किन्तु द्वितीय निजन्त प्रयोगे प्रयोज्यकर्ता, देवदत्तस्य इदानीं कर्म संज्ञा भवति वा न वा? गतिबुद्धि इति सूत्रेण गत्यर्थकस्य धातोः प्रयोगः अस्ति. नौ कर्म संज्ञा भवति वा इति प्रश्नः. न उच्यते न भवति. किमर्थम्? अणिकर्ता अणिजन्ते अर्थात् यत्र निजन्त एव नास्ति, शुद्धधातोः प्रयोगे यः कर्ता तस्यैव निजन्तप्रयोगे कर्मत्वं भवति. Now this Devadatta is not the karta in Anijanta Prayoga. Anau karta nasti. Naveva karta. He is the karta only in a Nijanta Prayoga. Ataha Dittiya Nijanta Prayoge tasya kartuhu karmatvam na bhavati kartrutvam eva bhavati ataha Devadattena iti tritiya shruyate. Vishnumitraha Devadattena Yajnadattam gamayati. So Anikartuhu प्रयोज्यकर्ता यः अस्ति शुद्धधातोः कर्ता तस्यैव अनेन सूत्रेण कर्मत्वं भवति. सो यः इति नियम्यते, अणिकर्तुः एव कर्मत्वम् इति नियम्यते पुनः. सो दिस् इस् अगेन नियम. सो एक्चुअली इफ यू रिमूव दिस सूत्र, all kartas when you have a nijanta should get karma samnya because they are karma in associate in relation to the prayojaka kriya. But this sutra says niyamah भवति. गत्यादीनामेव धातूनां प्रयोगे इति एकः नियमः. द्वितीयः नियमः अणिकर्तुरेव नौ कर्मत्वं भवति. अन्येषां कर्तॄणाम् अर्थात् प्रथम निजन्त प्रयोगे यः कर्ता तस्य पुनर्निजन्ते कर्मत्वं न भवति इत्यपि नियमः अनेन सूत्रेण क्रियते. अणिकर्तुरेव कर्मत्वं न तु अन्येषां निकर्तॄणां. So if there is a karta in a nijanta who is being the prayojakarta in a another thing, he will not get the karma samya. Atayeva kimuchyate, if you look at the Devadattaha Yajnadattam gamayati. This is the first nijanta. Tam nama Devadattam aparah prayunkte. Tada gamayati Devadattena Yajnadattam Vishnumitraha. So Devadattena ityatra Devadattasya punaha karma samya na bhavati ityartha. So that is about the sutra. There are a number of vartikas which are associated with this sutra. The Vartikakara makes a few modifications. He says an exceptions to the rule and he adds on a few to the rule, so on. Tatra prathamam vartikam asti ni vahyor na. Ni vahyoh na. Ni dhatuhu, ni prapane dhatuhu. Punaha prapane iti dhatuhu. So etayohu dhatuhu prayoge अणिकर्तुः नौ कर्मत्वं न भवति इति उच्यते. So the अणिकर्ता will not be karma in nijanta. So नाययति वाहयति वा भारं भृत्येन. अथं भृत्यः भारं नयति अथवा वहति. So भृत्यः नाम सेवकः भारं नयति, भृत्यः भारं वहति इति शुद्धधातोः प्रयोगः. स्वामी भारं नाययति. He makes him carry the load. Now this भृत्य should he get the karma samya or not? Prashna. So karma samya na bhavati. Ivahyorna iti uktatvan. Ataha bhrityena bharam nayayati. Athava bhrityena bharam vahayati. Bhrityena iti tritiya. Ataha karta iti gamyate na tu karma. Okay. So if you look at the vakhyana here, nayayati vahayati va iti. Bhrityaha bharam nayati vahati va. तं प्रेरयति इत्यर्थः. अत्र प्रयोज्यकर्तुः भृत्यस्य णिच् प्रकृत्यर्थं नयनं वहनं च प्रति कर्तुः प्रयोजकव्यापारं प्रति कर्मत्वे निवृत्ते. So there is no karmatva. He was actually karta for nayana or vahana and prayojaka vyaparam prati karmatvam. So he should also have been the karma for the prayojaka vyapara. Karmatve nivrutte. But now since the Vartika says it was not karma, there is no कर्मत्व. निच् प्रकृत्यर्थं प्रति कर्तृत्वस्यैव निरपवादत्वेन अवस्थानात् तृतीया बोध्या. So now it is the only samya which is left is the karta for niche prakriti, that is the shuddha dhatu. Okay. So avasthana tritiya bodhya. Yadyapi nivahyoho prapanam arthaha. Now the question is, there is a nishedha. Nivahyoho na iti nishidhyate. Kena praptihi. How? Because they are not gatyarthakas by themselves. Prapanam arthaha. Tarhi katham praptihi iti chet. Yadyapi nivahyoho prapanam arthaha. तथापि गत्यनुकूल व्यापारार्थके प्रापणे गतेः विशेषणत्वेन प्रविष्टतया गत्यर्थत्वात् प्राप्तिः. So what is prapana? We saw this again in what was that? Dvikarmakas, ajam, nayati, vahati, etc. So what is this prapana? It is an action which facilitates movement to a particular place. Okay. So facilitates movement to a particular place. So it is not directly movement. Nayati is not gachati. It is not directly movement. It is not gatyarthaka. But gatyanukula vyapararthaka. It is a vyapara which enables gati. But here also gatehe visheshanatveena pravishtateya. Gati is involved as the visheshana to the vyapara, and therefore these are also treated as gatyarthakas. Gatyarthakatvat gati buddhi ityanena karmatvam praptam अनेन वार्तिकेन निषिध्यते इत्यर्थः. अतः नीवह्योर्न भृत्यः भारं नयति स्वामी भृत्येन भारं नाययति. पुनश्च वार्तिकमस्ति नियन्त्रकर्तृकस्य वहेरनिषेधः. नियन्त्रकर्तृकस्य वहेः अनिषेधः. नियन्ता नियन्ता प्राजिता यन्ता सूतः क्षत्ता च सारथिः इत्यमरः. So Sarathi, the charioteer, is called Niyanta, he who holds or reins in this. So Yatra Vahadhatoho Nijanta Prayoge Sarathehe Kartritvam Bhavati. So there is Vahati. So there is a Karta. The Prayojaka Karta is a Sarathi. If the Prayojaka Karta is a Sarathi. Niyantru Kartrikasya Vahehe. So Yatra Vahadhatoho Nijanta Prayoge Sarathehe Kartritvam Bhavati. Tatra anikartuhunau karmatva nishedhaha na bhavati. He is saying anishedhaha. The previous vartika said nivahyorna vahadhatoho prayoge anikartuhunau karmatvam na bhavati iti uktam. Yadi niyanta prayojaka karta bhavati tarhi ayam nishedhaha na arthat anikartuhunau karmatvam bhavati ityarthaha. So वाहयति रथं वाहान् सूतः इत्युदाहरणम्. वाहाः रथं वहन्ति. वाहाः नाम अश्वाः. So the horses carry the draw the chariot. सूतः रथं वाहयति. The charioteer makes them draw the chariot. Now अत्र प्रयोजककर्ता अस्ति सूतः. अतः नियन्त्रकर्तृकस्य वहेः, where a charioteer is the प्रयोजककर्ता, there is no निषेधः. कर्मत्व निषेधः नास्ति, अर्थात कर्मत्वं भवति. वाहान रथं वाहयति. In the previous case it was भृत्येन कार्यं भारं नाययति or वाहयति. So here it is वाहान रथं वाहयति. So his make the ashwa will get karma samya tatra yukta dvitiya vibhaktischa bhavati. So वाहयति iti मनोरमायां वाहाः अश्वाः वहन्ति तान् सूतः प्रेरयति इत्यर्थः. नियन्ता प्राजिता यन्ता सूतः क्षत्ता च सारथिः इत्यमरः. वहन्ति बलीवर्दाः यवान् वाहयति बलीवर्दान् देवदत्तः. So that is another example which was given in the bhashya. इति भाष्योदाहरणात् नियन्ता पशुप्रेरकः एव विवक्षितः. So here the niyanta is intended as the one who makes animals carry something. Okay, pashu Prerakah Niyanta. So what else is possible? I don't know why he makes this point. What exactly is the... Let's look at the bhashya. Not the one who makes machines, but I mean, if you look at the Kala of the Mahabhashya, or maybe you have something like an instrument. It need not be a machine. Say Shakatena Bharam Vahayati. So he is making the cart carry a load. So tatra it might be a suta, but he is not making an animal. Pashu prerakah nasti, atah tatra shakatena karmatvam na bhavati shakatena iti syat. That is my guess. So I'll look at the bhashya for confirmation. What exactly is the context? Okay. So that is a Vartika and a Vartika for the Vartika. So you have to look at these both together. Nivahyorna Niyantrakartrakasya Vahir Anishedha. The next one says Adikhadyorna. Okay, so for Gatyarthaka we have an exception in Ni and Vah. So for Pratyavasanarthaka we have an exception Adikhadyohu na. Adabhakshane Khadrubhakshane iti dhatavah. So Nijantaha Adi Khadi iti Nijantaha. So etayoho dhatoho Nijanta prayoge Gatibuddhi ityadina anikartuh karmatvam na bhavati. So when Adayati or Khadayati is used, anikartuhu na karmatvam na bhavati. So praptihi pratyavasanarthakatvat. Pratyavasanam bhakshanam ityuktam. Pratyavasanarthakau etau dhatu. So prapte gatibuddhi ityadina anikartuhu na karmatve prapte anena nishidhyate vartikena. Adayati khadayati va annam vatuna. Vatuhu annam atti athava khadati bhakshayati ityarthah. Guruhu vatuna annam adayati athava khadayati. So if it is say bhojayati, vatuhu annam bhunkte, guruhu vatum annam bhojayati iti karma bhavati. Yadi tu adadhatuhu khadadhaturva prayujyate, tada vatuna annam adayati athava vatuna annam khadayati. And again a nishedha for the nishedha. No, this is again a direct nishedha. Bhakshehe ahimsarthasya na. Ahimsarthakasya bhakshadhatohu prayojya kartuhu nau karmatvam na bhavati. So this is again a direct nishedha for gati buddhi. There is bhakshadhatu which is being told. Bhakshadhatuhu vishaye anikartuhu nau karmatvam na bhavati ityarthah. Ahimsarthakatvam nama kim iti anantaram pashyamah. So bhaksheriti. So व्याख्याने अहिंसार्थकस्य भक्षधातोः प्रयोज्यकर्तुः कर्मत्वं नेति वक्तव्यम् इत्यर्थः. ननु गतिबुद्धि इति सूत्रे अणौ कर्तुः नौ कर्मत्वम् उक्तम्. There is another question which the commentator brings here. As we saw, the sutra says anikartuhu nau karmatvam. Nijanta bhave yah karta tasyaiva nau karmatvam vidhiyate. ननु गतिबुद्धि इति सूत्रे अणौ कर्तुः नौ कर्मत्वम् उक्तम्. भक्षधातुस्तु चुरादित्वात् नित्यं स्वार्थिकण्यन्तः. Now this bhakshadhatu belongs to the 10th gana, churadi gana. ह्यः एव उक्तं निच् द्विविधः, स्वार्थिकः निच् भवति, प्रेरणार्थकः निच् भवति. ये चुरादिगणीयाः धातवः सर्वेषां स्वार्थे निच् भवति. चोरयति, कथयति, गणयति इत्यादयः, भक्षयति इत्यादयः. Swarthe sarvada nich bhavati. Compulsorily there is always nich. You never hear chorayati without the nich. Right? So compulsorily there is nich and it does not change the meaning. Swarthe eva nich bhavati. Prerane anyaha nijasti. So idanim yaha bhakshadhatuh churaditvan nityam swarthikanyantah. Tasya anikarta nasti eva. So there is two anikarta. Nijanta bhavaha nasti. It is never seen without a me, and therefore there is no anikarta. So why say anikartuhu karmatvam na bhavati? Anikarta eva na bhavati. Tasya karmatvam nasti iti nishedhah kutaha iti prashnaha. Bhakshadhatustu churaditvan nityam smarthikanyantah tasya anikarta nastyeva atah tasya karmatva nishedhah anupapannaha aprasaktatvat iti chet na. Atayeva nishedha lingat. Taking this nishedha itself as the basis, gatibuddhi iti sutre nigrahanena hetumataha eva vivakshitatvat. So this vartika itself proves that the ni in gatibuddhi sutra refers only to the hetuman nich, which is the nich obtained by hetumaticha and not the swarthika nich. So a karta when there is no hetumannich will get karma samya when there is hetumannich. So the if even if the originally has a smarthika nich, it does not matter. Tatrapi pravartate. Arthat chorayati iti yah dhatuh tadvishayepi idam sutram pravartate ityarthah. So ataeva nishedha lingat. So taking this nishedha itself as the basis, gatibuddhi iti sutre nigrahanena hetumatah eva vivakshitatvat. Evam cha hetumannichi anutpanne sati anyanta bhakshidhatuvacyam kriyam prati kartuhu. Hetumanyantavacyam kriyam prati karmatvam ityarthah paryavasyati. So the bhakshayati, when there is smarthika nich, that is, there is no hetumannich, there is a karta. When you add the preranarthaka nich, there is another karta. So tada ani kartuhu nau karmatvam prapnoti tannishedhartham idam vartikam. Bhakshayatyannam vatuna. Vatuhu annam bhakshayati iti shuddha dhatuhu. Looking at the rupa, you cannot, like bhakshayati is the same whether it is shuddha dhatu or nich, that is hetuman nich. In gacchati gamayati you can make out. In bhakshayati you cannot. Whether it is plain or has an added preranarthaka nich, you cannot tell. Okay. But looking at the other words, you can tell. So vatuhu annam bhakshayati, guruhu vatuna annam bhakshayati. So there is no karmatva for vatu. There is tritiya vibhakti because of the kartritva. Ahimsarthasya kim? Bhaksher ahimsarthasya na iti uchyate. Kim kaha arthaha? Bhakshayati balivardhan sasyam. Ityasti. So you look at the balivardaha sasyam bhakshayanti iti prayogaha. The oxen, balivardaha nama ox. The oxen eat the plants. Gopalaha balivardhan sasyam bhakshayati. Ahimsarthasya atra himsa asti. Himsarthakatvat nishedha nasti. There is no karmatva nishedha. Since there is no karmatva nishedha, there is karma samya, and therefore it is balivardhan sasyam bhakshayati and not balivardaihi sasyam bhakshayati. The previous case he said vatuna annam bhakshayati. Here it is balivardhan sasyam bhakshayati. Dvitiya vibhaktihi atah karmatvam asti. अतः अत्र हिंसार्थकत्वम् अस्ति इति. कथम् इति चेत् भक्षयति बलीवर्दान् सस्यम् इति क्षेत्रे प्ररूढम् अलूनं सस्यम् इह विवक्षितम्. तस्य तदानीम् अन्तःप्रज्ञजीवत्वात् तद्भक्षणं हिंसैव इति भावः. A very interesting thing. He says क्षेत्रे प्ररूढम् अलूनं सस्यम् इह विवक्षितम्. The sasya, the plant intended here is kshetre prarudham, that which is growing in the field, alunam, and not cut. That is, it is not the cowherd has cut the grass and brought it in front. They are feeding on plants which are growing in the field. Tasya tadanim, tasya sasyasya tadanim, arthat prarudha dashayam, when they are not yet cut, antah prajna jivatvat, they have life. It says there is life and they have chaitanya. Tadbhakshanam himsaiva, and therefore it is himsa. So ahimsarthakasya na yatra himsa nasti, that is, he is eating anna, which is not, I mean, when the rice or when the grain was cut, then it was himsa, but when he is eating the anna, it does not have life, and therefore it is not himsa, and therefore that there is nishedha for karmatva. Yatra tu himsa gamyate tatra kim nasti karmanaha karmatvasya nishedha nasti karmatvat dvitiya vibhakti drishyate. So plants have life, is what is there since Panini, I mean since at least Vararuchi. Ahimsarthasya na. The next Vartika, Jalpati Prabhatinam Upasankhanam. So far he gave Nishedha, that is Nivahyorna, Adikadyorna, Bhaksher Ahimsarthasya iti Trayaha Nishedhaha Drishtaha. Idanim Vidhihi Jalpati Prabhatinam Upasankhanam. Jalpadinam Dhatunam Prayoge. Anikartanau Karma Bhavati. So they will be karma. So anikartuhu nau karmatvam bhavati iti vaktavyam. Uchyate arthate gatibuddhi iti sutrena na prapnoti karmatvam kintu anena vakyakena vidhiyate. Datyadishu anantarbhava. They do not belong to these. This Jalpati, etc. They do not belong to these category of Gati, Buddhi, Pratyavasana, Shabda, Karma or Akarmaka. And therefore this Vartika adds on them to the list and says for even for these dhatus there is Anikartuhu now karmatvam bhavati iti uchyate. Ke jalpati prabhutayah ityukte bhashye jalpati vilapati bhashate iti dhatutrayam udahritam. So there is a controversy whether it is only for these three dhatus or for similar dhatus. There are two parties here, that is there are two different views regarding this. So jalpayati bhashayati va dharmam putram devadattaha. Putraha dharmam jalpati or bhashate. Okay, he speaks correctly or righteously. Devadattaha putram dharmam jalpayati or bhashayati. Putram dharmam jalpayati. So there is karmatva and therefore there is dvitiya bhakti. We see this. Jalpayati bhashayati veti dharmam iti sheshaha. Putro dharmam jalpati bhashateva tam devadattah prerayati ityarthah gatyarthadishu anantarbhavad vachanam. Nacha shabdana kriyarthatvadeva siddhe vachanamidam vyartham iti vachyam. So that is, they say this Vartika makes sense if these words do not belong in Gatyadi. But there is something called Shabda Karma. Okay. So now Shabdana Kriyarthatvad. So all these words, whereas in Jalpati, Bhashate, Vilapati, that the Kriya, the action itself involves Shabda. Right? So Shabda Karma, why not include them under Shabda Karma? Shabdana kriyarthatvadeva siddhe vasanamidam vyartham iti na vachyam, nacha vachyam. Atayeva shabda karma karmakana ityasya shabdaha karmakarakam yesham ityarthat. That is why in Shabda Karma we defined it as Shabdaha Karma Nama Karmakarakam Yesham. There are two meanings for karma. One is Kriya ityarthe karma Shabdaha prayujyate. Kim karma kima karmeti kavayopyatra mohitaha. Karma nama Kriya ityarthe karma Shabdaha prayujyate. Karma karakam asti vishishtam paribhashitam vyakarane. So Shabdaha karma yesham ityatra karma nama kriyava karma karakam va iti prashnaha. Does it involve the action where the action itself is Shabda or where the karma karaka is Shabda? So there it has been defined as Shabdaha karma karakam, where the karma karaka is Shabda. Like you say, Vedam adhite. So he is studying the Veda. Tatra Vedaha Shabda Rupaha. Karma karakam Shabda Rupaha. Ataha tatra bhavati. It does not involve dhatus where the action itself is Shabda. Where you are saying Jalpati, to speak that the action itself is Shabda. So Dharmam Jalpati. Dharma where the karma karaka is not Shabda. Dharma is not just words. It is actually doing something, right? So Veda is only words, a collection of Shabd or sounds, whereas Dharma is not a sound. The karma karaka here is not a sound and therefore this is not Shabda Karma. That is what he says. Shabdana kriyarthatvadeva siddhe vachanamidam vyartham iti namachyam. Atayeva Shabda Karma karmakanam ityasya Shabdaha karmakarakam yesham ityarthat. Anyatha Vedamadhyapayad vidhim iti asiddhehe. Otherwise, what would be the problem if we define Shabda Karma as Shabdaha Kriya Esha, where the action involves sound? So there, Vedam Adhyapayad vidhim ityasti. Adhite athava adhyapayati. So there, Adhyayana is not an action which is only words. Okay. So it is like, say, Jalpati is an action. Shabdaha eva kriya. Atra tu shabdanam kriya nasti. Ataha tat sadhanartham kim vaktavyam shabdaha karmakarakam yasya iti vaktavyam tatha utte atra na siddhyati. Anyatha vedamadhyapayad vidhim iti asiddhehe. Okay, so that is one part. Vartike adina vyaharati varatyadinam sangrahaha. Bhashye tu ke punar jalpati prabhutayah Jalpati, Vilapati, Abhashate ityeva uktam. Parigananam ityeke udahana matra pradarshanam ityanye. So there are two views. One they say pariganana, that is only for these three, jalpati, vilapati, bhashate. And some people say udaharana matram, these are only examples. So other dhatus with similar meaning like vyaharati, vadati ityadayah, tesham api vishaye anikartuhu no karmatvam bhavati iti keshanchana matam. Okay. So there is one more Vartika in the Sutra, Drisheshcha. Again, he is adding on one more dhatu. Drishya prekshane pashyati dhatuhu tasya dhatoh prayoge anikartanau karma bhavati. So this again does not belong to those five categories, gati, buddhi, etc. So therefore, asyapi vishaye anikartanau karma bhavati. Yaktavyam darshayati harim bhaktan. Bhaktaha harim pashyanti. So the devotees see Hari. Guruhu bhaktan harim darshayati. He shows them Hari. Bhaktan harim darshayati. Bhaktaha ani kartaraha nau karmatvam bhavati. So there is bhaktan harim darshayati. So darshayati iti. Harim bhaktah pashyanti. Tan guruhu prerayati ityarthaha. Nanu drishehe buddhi visheshatmakatvadev siddhe kimarthamidam vachanam. There is a question. There is buddhi in the sutra, gati buddhi. Buddhi we defined as jnana, right? To know. Now darshana is a type of jnana. It is a specialized type of knowledge, knowing, right? So darshana, all the specialized senses, darshana, shravana, whatever, they are all jnana. Right? Basically they are all jnana, a special type. So nanu drishehe buddhi visheshatmakatvadev siddhe. Now if they can also be included under buddhyarthakatva, so then naturally we will have karmatva from the sutra. Why this separately? Nanu drishehe buddhi visheshatmakatvadev siddhe kimarthamidam vachanam ityartha. Ha sutre jnana samanyarthanam eva grahanam natu tad visheshathanam iti anena jnapyate. So the Dikshidhar says this Vartika itself shows that the buddhi in the sutra refers only to jnana samanyarthana, those dhatus which tell just knowledge in that is not specifically a particular type of knowledge but just knowledge, like say vetti, janati ityadinam eva tatra grahanam natu jnana vishesharthakanam iti anena eva jnapyate. So this Vartika itself proves that. Sutre iti gati buddhi iti sutre buddhi grahanena jnana samanya vachinam vidajnane jna avabodhane ityadinam eva grahanam natu jnana vishesha vachinam ityetat drisheshcha ityanena vijñāyate. Anyatha drisheshcha ityasya vayartha prasangat. Else the Vartika itself would not be required. So since he is telling the Vartika specifically, it means that the word buddhi in the sutra refers only to jnana samanyarthakaha and not specific types of knowledge. Tena smarati jighratyadinam na. So therefore we have dhatus like smarati where he remembers, jighrati, smells, shrunoti, all those. So in those cases there is no karmatva for anikarta. Anikarta karmatvam na bhavati. Smarayati ghrapayati va devadattena. So devadatta smarati athava devadattaha jighrati. Yajnadattaha devadattena smarayati. He makes devadatta remember or he makes him smell. Ghrapayati. So in these cases there is no karmatva. Only if it is drishya dhatu there is karmatva. For all other dhatus which convey specific types of knowledge there is no karmatva. So here like practically there is a question. So I mean in prayoga, at least in these days prayogas, we say mam smaraya. It's a very popular prayoga. So if you have anybody who uses say conversational Sanskrit would be very familiar with the prayoga, mam smaraya. How? It should actually be maya smaraya, right? So according to this, he is very clearly saying, Dikshita gives smarati as an example and says, anikartuhu nau karmatvam na bhavati. Aham smarami, tvam maya smaraya iti bhavet. Mam smaraya iti katham iti prashnaha. There is no answer. I mean, don't expect an answer, because I have also been looking for an answer on various bases since many days. Because it is a very popular prayoga, whether it is a Shishta prayoga or not, I don't think we have come across such examples in any Kavya or anything. But most certainly in today's conversation it is there, Mam Smaraya. So, this is just to give an insight on how scholars think. I have asked a few scholars. We cannot reject this prayoga because it is a prayoga. Prayoga sharanaha vyakaranaha. So, if it is just a random prayoga by one kavi, you can say it is pramadat. But when there is a prayoga which is widely in vogue, you cannot reject it outright. But how to substantiate it is also a question, right? So, there is no, I have not yet found an answer, and with the few scholars I have found. But that is one thing where you have this shows that Vyakarana is not like, say, we are not just looking at prayogas of say poets who are 2000 years old. Vyakarana should and will always cater to today's prayogas. So as and when there are prayogas, there should be a way to substantiate them. Okay, so there are finding ways. There are many such cases where there are such problems arising, especially now that Sanskrit is more and more being used in conversation, and there are new kinds of prayogas. I don't say new prayogas because we cannot create a new dhatu or create a new thing. But the way Sanskrit is being used has changed. So there should be something in grammar which goes on to substantiate those prayogas which are accepted by the users. Okay. So there are many cases where they have succeeded. This is one case where I don't know if there is any substantiation for that particular prayoga or not. There's something to be thought over. So if anybody can find out, I'll be glad to know it. I will see. We'll stop here. There is one more Vartika to this sutra which we'll see in the next class. Any questions?
Unmuted.
So should we add a new Vartika under this thing and say that Mam Smaraya?
Well,
Hey, it's an evolving thing. Like Oxford, they keep adding new words.
exactly. So what is the authority for adding here is what is to be decided.
Shishta Prayoga, I think. Shishta Prayoga.
Exactly. So that is all I will say. One person here says, the other person will not accept. So yeah, there are quite a few problems in such things. That is what I wanted to highlight. So I don't know what is the solution to this. All Vaiyakaranas should think about such prayogas, where prayoga clashes with Shastra, what is to be done and how can it be resolved. At different levels, if thought goes on, it can be resolved somehow.
Maybe the last hope was Nagesha Bhatta. After that, I don't know. Anybody can take authority and do it.
Exactly, that is the problem here. There is no authority who will be treated as pramana by everybody else. So, okay. व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुत्तिष्ठेभ्यः वैयाकरणसको इयं विरच्यते.
Muted.
Okay, so loading the file this week might take a bit longer because I formatted my system and I don't have all the software which I had earlier. But I'll do it before weekend. I'll certainly load the files of both this week and the last week. Thank you.
The organ